guys, and welcome back to Living with Charnelle. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need meat of choice. I have here beef. I also went to Cup Food and got a few bones because I like the taste of the juice that comes out of the bones. This is optional. If you don't care for the bones, don't take it. Chopped spinach, onion, leek leaves, hot pepper, tomatoes, garlic, bay leaves optional, salt, white pepper cube optional, black pepper, cooking oil, African spices, Pebe and Gensang. These are both optional. Dry shrimp. Here you have your egusi. Also, this is pumpkin seeds already peeled. Don't forget what you're going to be eating this with. I'm eating mine with corn couscous. Little secret: if you blended your egusi and it's this smooth and you still want to create those little balls in it, just drop some ice cubes in your soup. It's going to cool the soup, and make sure your fire is on low, and that's going to just cool this and you will create those little balls around. So little secret there, because my blender was not allowing it to blend it dry, so I had to add water to blend it. So that's just what happens. Usually if you don't put water in your blending process, you should be fine, but because I did not do that, I have to use the secret. Look at that. Look at that ice. It turned white.